All right, so this is a room tour of room 2453 on the Carnival Radiance. When you walk in, this is the light key and the climate control. So as you can see, the heat is turned all the way up because it is chilly outside. And this room is one of their accessible rooms, and I ended up in it. It is a bit bigger, but it is accessible. So this isn't typically the size or the layout of regular Oceanview rooms. So typically in a regular room, the cupboards or the closets would be right here on this side, but this is a little bit different. And don't mind the mess. So there's a table, there's the mirror, so you can sit and, you know, do makeup for us that do wear makeup. And I'll come back around to the restroom. So this door is actually to open the front door and not for the restroom. I ended up finding that out and came to a little towel, an animal or a sea creature folded up. So this is the bed, and it's the two twins pushed together. You have the TV here, and again, unlike a typical Oceanview, this room has 2 windows. So usually there's just one, and the closets are on this side. So we have a bigger closet. As you can see, there's already some clothes in here. And then another closet, and this one actually has the safe and the mini bar. And of course, life jackets are up there. And there's also a chair for lounging. And then we'll continue on to the restroom. So as you can see, the light is there. And got the toilet. So there's like ample space in here. Got the sink, the mirror, and the shower facilities. And the cool thing too is that they actually have a clothesline, so you can use this, and the part that hooks on is on the other side, so you can actually use this to hang any clothes that you might have washed by hand, or if you've gone swimming, you can use that to hang it. So that is the room tour.